If you are experiencing crashing issues with the AFC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify potential causes and implement solutions. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for AFC25. Visit the official website or the game's packaging to verify that your hardware and software are compatible. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install the updates and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. High settings can strain your system, leading to crashes. Start with low settings and gradually increase them to find a stable configuration. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that consume a lot of resources. This can help free up memory and processing power, reducing the likelihood of crashes during gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues with the AFC25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.